किं कर्म किम अकर्मेति कवयोपि अत्र मोहिता तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि जद ज्ञात्वा मोक्षसे असूहा. So again the same beginning, Chaturvarnang Maya system, Gunakarma Vibhagas. Everything is spoken on that basis. Now everyone has to work. Krishna never says to Arjuna that you haven't got to work. I am your friend, I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you simply sleep and I shall do everything for you. He never said like that. He could say that, just like modern rascal incarnation of God, they say to their devotees that you simply think of me, I shall do everything for you. But Krishna never said that. Krishna said that manmana bhava mad bhakto madhyajimang namaskuru, but never said that you sit down idly. Never said that. Krishna rather said that you better do akarma than sit down idly. Even you do something mischievous, that is also good, than to sit down idly. He never said. Simply he said that you work. You have got the right to work according to your capacity, according to your position. That position is Brahmana position, Kshatriya position, Vaishya position, Shudra position. In any position, you work. But the result should be given to Krishna. That is one. That is Tyag. Tyag means to give up the result to Krishna. That is sannyas. Sat means the Supreme. And anyone who renounces everything for Krishna, the Supreme, he is sannyasi. That will be explained in the 5th chapter. Karjam karma karoti. Anasrita karma phalam. Karjam karma karoti. Sa sannyasi. Karjam, it is my duty. Just like we have got in our institution specified duties for each and every member, and they are doing, and if they take it seriously, every one of them, that it is the ordained duty. My Guru Maharaj has specified this duty upon me, so it is my duty. Karjam. Karjam means it is my duty. I must do it. So, anasita karma phalam, karjam karma karot, that is trained up. According to varnashram dharma, that is trained up. A brahmachari from the very beginning of his life, he is trained to act only for Guru. That is brahmachari. It is enjoined that a brahmachari live at the shelter, at the care of Guru, just like a menial servant. Krishna also, although he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, when he was living as brahmachari at his Guru's house, Sandipuni Muni, he was collecting wood, fuel from the jungle. He was going daily. It is not that because he was Personality of Godhead, therefore he should not go. No. You will find in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna book, that when Sudama, Vipra, met him, he was talking with him, about his childhood stories. Krishna reminded him, Sudama, do you remember that one day we went to collect fuel for our Guru Maharaj, and there was storm and rain, and we could not get out of the forest. We had to leave overnight there. Then on the morning, Guru Maharaj came with other disciples, and they recovered us from the jungle. Do you remember? So Krishna had to do this. This is training. A brahmachari is trained up from the very beginning. How to become a sannyasi at the end of life. How he is trained up? He is trained up to collect for Guru.